और सर,
ओके नाउ
आपने बुक्स रेफर नहीं की इनकी, मुझे FIC होगी।
मैं वो बता दूं। ओके नाउ इफ वी लुक इनटू GL and understand the concept of um, creating multiple company codes or keeping company codes less. Now, that's why we have the relationship of segments, profit centers, and company codes. If we have one chart of accounts and one company code, for example, our company code is PAP9. Okay, PAP9, and these accounts were made. These accounts were made in chart of accounts. Now it is reflecting in the company code. Okay, let's copy this, and this is actually happening at company code level. Okay, at the unit level or molecular level. I will just copy it, and let's say I'll create 100, 101, continue. Account does not exist in chart of accounts. Okay, it does not actually exist. 100, 101 requires an account. If I want to actually change any any controls at this level, for example, at company code level, I want posting without tax allowed. Okay. And over here, I can actually make post automatically only if I remove this and I save it, enter. If I go to centrally, same account, retained earnings, create bank interest, post automatically is removed. But if I change it over here, it will reflect in all the company codes. Okay. Tax category posting without tax is also allowed, and this will reflect in all the because a GL account, oh sorry, chart of accounts can be used by multiple company codes. Now, if I have to make multiple company codes, that means I go to document entry and I enter a GL document. Every time I post an expense or a deduction or an adjustment or depreciation, if I have multiple company codes, okay, I'll have to change it. Okay, I'll have to change the company code every time if I have to post an expense. So, for example, 400, 500, and 200, 691, debit, credit, 1000, 1000. Now, if I have the setup with a profit center and segment, okay, profit center, if there is a segment, I can show this. It is not showing it here. Functional area, no, it's not showing the segment, but I have the profit center. So I can distribute this cost to profit centers that is most relevant instead of changing my operational unit. Operational unit can be less and reporting heads can be more like profit centers. Okay. I hope you get the point. Okay. Now, let's create our cost centers. Did we create a cost center last time? Yes, we did create. We'll go to SPRO. Profit center accounting. Assignment of account assignment of objects to profit centers. Check assignments. Now we have to see how many master data have been created. Display objects without. Display objects without profit centers. Execute cost center category. Lab 9. No, I want S9. 4 centers without profit centers. Execute. 89. Execute. Okay, we've already made only one for the shop. That is your cost center P1001. So let's make another one. Here's 01, P1002, 01, P1001, controlling area PAP9, master data, assembling, profit center. Okay, profit center will be same. Save. Okay, now next is P1003. P1003, enter. Paint shop. Paint shop. This will go without a profit center. Enter. Okay. P2001. Fine. Okay. Processing. Uh-oh. Processing. Save. Okay. Now let's check the assignments again. 1KE4. Cost centers, object without cost center, profit centers. Keep it open. Execute. So we have three cost centers that are assigned to profit centers. P0101 and one P103 is left out and is not assigned to profit centers. Okay. Now, next is CRO. Controlling. Cost center accounting. Master data. Cost centers. Define cost center groups. Okay, create cost center group. KSH1. Okay. KSH1 prod, which is production hierarchy, production cost, and we'll click cost centers P1001. P100102 and P2001, okay, which are assigned to the same profit center. We are creating a production cost. So anything that is being assembled and fixed or getting through the production line actually will be done by these three cost centers. So the collective cost that will be accumulated from these cost centers will be categorized under the production cost. Okay, and this will be absorbed into the material. Okay, okay, cost center is done. Cost element accounting, master data, cost element. Now, what is cost element? It's the GL. Is the transparent copy, mirror copy of GLs in controlling area. Create cost element groups. Create a cost element group. Admin, hierarchy, admin cost, cost element, 400, 591. Okay. Okay, let's save it. We saved. Create cost element group, and this is personal, personal cost, and cost element 400, 500. This is salary. Save, and this is saved. Okay. Now comes the document entry. Now we will enter documents with FD01L. Okay. 01, 01, 400, 500. Okay. Number range is missing for the year 2024. We go to customizing from here. Continue without specifying project. Copy to company code. Copy to fiscal year. Company code. Copy to company code. Number range, company source, LAP9, PAP9. Execute. Yes. Interval added for 2024. So I've just picked up any template company code which had number ranges. If you want to do it manually, you have to define the company ranges and looping line, looping supports, and add your line from here, insert line and add your interval with the year. Okay. So it will not overlap. So if you see, this is the same number range, it is overlapping, but this is from a different year. That's why it's valid. And then we can copy to other company codes as well. Okay, company code is done. Enter. uh 27,000 P1001. Over here, if you see, the cost center is made mandatory because of the field status groups. 40, 400, 600. Fine tolerance group for employees, fine tolerance group for employees. The tolerance rules basically we are limiting our users to enter a certain amount of vendors and creditors, payables and receivables are up to a certain limit to contain financial leakages and corruption. That's why we have tolerance groups that a certain amount of credit can be extended to vendors, certain um, a certain amount of debit that is receivable can be awarded to customers, but not more than that or less than that. Come on. Okay, new entries will keep it MTPAP9 and cash discount per line item will be maximum 2%. Amount per document, amount per open account item. Open item. We'll discuss what are open items. Save. Move on. We'll have to re-enter the document again because customization has to take effect and the screen for transaction is already midway. So the effect is not affecting or not, it has not yet taken effect on the transaction because it's ongoing transaction. The server has gone slower. I guess let's stop over here. It's not actually responding so well.